What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, let's talk about optimizing your recruiting agency. All right, so let's say you've created a recruiting or staffing agency and you're doing pretty well, or you're just getting started, or any of that, right? You need to understand optimization. You want to streamline and optimize everything so that you can build and scale and just become a better brand overall, and do better business and make more profit. Now, to run a really successful business, you need to understand 4 key elements of optimization. All businesses utilize these and many, many more, but I'll hit on 4 really important ones. Before I go through that, make sure that you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in the description of this video, and I'll definitely see you in the group. All right, so the number 1 way that you can optimize your business is to solidify your brand. All right, so this is not rocket science whatsoever. I'm literally talking about the core basics here. I'm talking about your LinkedIn, your website. I'm talking about the name of your company, the name of your business, right? Your domain name, your email signature, the little things, the basic core elements of your actual brand. Let's go into something a little bit deeper on your brand though, narrative. So what's the narrative of your brand, right? Every brand has to have a narrative. So solidifying your brand involves multiple facets of you actually identifying pieces and parts that you need to put together to make sure you solidify a very solid, rock solid foundational brand that people can know and that you can scale over time. The second thing you can do to optimize your business is to implement a vision. All right, so every single successful business has a really, really good vision, like a roadmap almost, for exactly where they want to go and where they're coming from, right? Where they're operating from. So understand that when you start operating from a place of actual value, true value, like I talk about, and serving your clients, the money will come. Don't worry about that. That will always come. But when you operate from a place of actually serving your clients and making sure they're getting real value from you, that is having a true mission. That's having a true vision for your business. And when you have that, you're rock solid, optimizing everything you can do in your business. You've probably heard this before, but if you're operating from a place of simply profiteering and not servitude, actually serving people, clients, right? You're not gonna go very far, or you're gonna become stagnant, right? If you simply are there for the almighty dollar, you're not going to go far. But if you're there for the right reasons, you will go as far as you can even see. Because the deal is, when you operate from that space, more things come to you because you're just in it for the right reasons. You have to understand that. All right, so the third thing that you can do to optimize your business, like right now, today, are figure out 3 things that you can do to actually improve upon inside the business. Think about anything that's in your business, like your marketing, your sales, your team, the people that you work with, right? Your processes, your workflows, any of those things. Identify what they are, how they're operating. Are they serving you? Are they doing well, right? What can be improved upon? As soon as you can find flaws in your KPIs or understanding what's working and what's not working, you can immediately improve upon those things, identify what you can amplify and do better on, double down on that, and instantly you're optimizing those elements of your business. For example, if you identified that you're not cold marketing enough on email, right then and there, that's a pain point in your business where if you were to send out 1,000 emails a day, instead of just doing 50 cold calls a day, you might amplify your sales and your marketing by 10x. And if you do that, that means a lot of profit for your business. So change things. A/B split test things to amplify what actually goes on in your business. You will only know this stuff when you actually start tracking and looking at what's going on inside the business in order to optimize. All right, so number 4, the 4th thing that you can do to optimize your business is to go all in. Look, I can absolutely promise you that if you truly want to build an empire out of your business, You will never, ever get there without becoming someone that you are not right now. You need to change who you are to get something that you've never had before. You need to burn the boats behind you and go all in completely. The people that absolutely obsess over exactly what's going on in their business, optimize every little thing, track every little thing, create and optimize their brand, all of that, going all in means that you're 150% on top of the business. That's when you're a success. That's when you're absolutely gonna crush it. All right, so just to recap, solidify your brand, who you are, right? Down to your LinkedIn, your name, your domain, all that kind of stuff, right? Create a narrative around your business, who you are, a vision, right? What that looks like. Optimize for things that you need to improve upon inside the business, what needs to be better. And then also go all in. Go all the way in, further than you even thought you needed to. And I promise you, you'll come out building an empire. If you truly dedicate yourself to going all in on your business, do it and you'll come out on top. All right, guys, so those are 4 ways that you can optimize your business right now, like today. And I hope you take this as value. If so, please smash that like button. Definitely join our Facebook group, link in description. Hope to see you there, and I will see you next time.